Alright, now that we've let all our ingredients cook and well stirred, we're going to add 3/4 of our tomatoes that we chopped. The reason we're only adding 3/4 is at the very end we will use the last little bit to top our dish with.
Cook for 1 to 2 minutes.
Wow. Like, what are you saying? Okay.
Cut and...
Alright, now that we've added 3/4 of our tomatoes, we're going to let these cook with the rest of our vegetables for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly. Make sure that you blend them all together real well. Imagine like you're making a salsa almost. Continue to stir. Okay, once you've got them good and together, you can go ahead and add...
No. That's next video.
Alright, now that we got our tomatoes in, continue to stir. And keep in mind, our next step will be to add our taco seasoning.